Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the part 1 of our September 2021 current affairs session. And as always, we are going to discuss many important MCQs for 1st September till 15th September. Okay, so this is going to be very important for all your upcoming exams. So please watch the video till the end and also attempt the assignment questions at the end of this video. Okay, and as always, you can contact me on these social media platforms, and also please visit novation.in. If you want the free PDFs of the lectures I'm posting here, you can get them from the website. Okay, and I will also request you कि अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है, so go ahead and press the donate button on novation.in. Okay, so with that I'll start today's session. So the first question for today: which football club has recently signed Cristiano Ronaldo on a 2-year deal? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Manchester United. And very interestingly, Manchester United was the first club from which Cristiano Ronaldo started playing. Okay, and in this club, in Manchester United, he won 8 major trophies from 2003 to 2009. And before Manchester United, so Manchester United bought Cristiano Ronaldo from his previous club, Juventus. And here they have paid Juventus an initial amount of 15 million euro, and this deal could even rise to 23 million euros for Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope this is clear. Next, as per Economic Intelligence Unit EIU, which of the following capitals of countries has been named the world's safest city? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Copenhagen. Copenhagen किस country का capital है? It is capital of Denmark. Okay. So in a study of 5 pillars of urban society, security, digital, health, infrastructure, personal and environmental. So on all these 5 parameters, how secure is the country in the capital? Copenhagen topped the chart, scoring 82.4 points out of 100. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. India participated in the 5th edition of Joint Military Exercise Cousin 21 recently with which of the following countries? Friends, this is a no-brainer. आप option देख के भी आंसर पता कर सकते हैं. So IND stand for India and KAZ will stand for, of course, Kazakhstan. So A is my correct answer. And so this exercise, it commenced in Kazakhstan training node at Aisha Bibi. And this exercise will provide impetus to the ever-growing military and diplomatic ties between India and Kazakhstan. Next, which of the following Indian states has become the first to administer first dose of COVID vaccine to 100% of its eligible population? 100% population को vaccinate कर दिया गया है at least first dose. Okay, so here the correct answer is C, Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh has provided vaccine to everyone at least the first dose above the age of 18 years. यानी कि जो आपकी eligible population है, it includes all the people above 18 years of age. Okay. Next, the New Development Bank (NDB), which was established by BRICS nation. BRICS nation कौन से होते हैं दोस्तों? Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Okay. This bank was built by BRICS nation in 2015, and recently it has approved which of the following countries as its new members. कौन से नए members NDB ने शामिल हुए हैं? ये काफी important है दोस्तों in terms of IIFT. So here the correct answer is both like A, B, C. All of these are the correct answers. So my correct answer will be option number D. इन तीनों countries को as a new member BRICS बैंक यानी कि NDB में शामिल किया गया है. So NDB, अगर NDB की मैं बात करूँ दोस्तों, so since its inception it has approved around 80 projects in various member nations with a portfolio of around $30 billion. And the projects include transport, water sanitization, clean energy, digital infrastructure, etc. So these 3 countries are going to get lots of advantages. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. According to a recent survey conducted by Morning Consult, who among the 13 world leaders has the highest approval rating as of 2nd September 2021? सो फ्रेंड्स 13 वर्ल्ड लीडर्स के लिए सर्वे हुआ था, उसमें से किसने इस सर्वे को टॉप किया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अप्रूवल रेटिंग इन द कंट्री? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, नरेंद्र मोदी, द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. एंड आप बाकी लीडर्स की रैंकिंग यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. And as per this survey, PM Modi got a stellar approval rating of 70%, which was highest among all these world leaders. Okay. Next, name the first country in the world to vaccinate children from the age of 2 years against COVID-19 using homegrown jabs not recognized by World Health Organization. Friends, we'll talk about it. Here the correct answer is B, Cuba. सो क्यूबा ने अपने देश के 2 ईयर्स से भी 2 ईयर्स तक के छोटे बच्चों को भी वैक्सीन के डोज देना शुरू कर दिए गए हैं. एंड दिस वैक्सीन हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड इन क्यूबा, बट इट इज़ नॉट येट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिकॉज दिस क्यूबन वैक्सीन हैज़ नॉट अंडरगोन इंटरनेशनल साइंटिफिक पीयर रिव्यूज़. कोई रिव्यूज़ का नहीं किया गया है, बट स्टिल वहाँ पर 2 साल तक के बच्चों को भी वैक्सीन दी जा रही है. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. Next is, name the person who has been appointed as the acting prime minister in the new Afghan government. And here the correct answer is D, Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akund. Okay, so friends, I'm pretty sure all of you knows how the Taliban, those terrorists, they took over the government of Afghanistan now, and they are electing their own heads and ministers, etc. So what is India's stand on it? India's stand is very clear. Prime Minister Modi, in his virtual address to the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, he has clearly said that the transition of power to Taliban has not been in a correct manner. It hasn't been inclusive. Okay, it should no one knows what actually those people who living in Afghanistan, they are actually what they are facing. They were not consulted before that, right? They don't have any say in it, so that's not a inclusive transition of power. I hope this is clear. Next is, India's first ever emergency landing strip on a highway was inaugurated in which of these states? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Rajasthan. Now friends, what is this emergency landing strip? So from the name you can understand that here Air Force plane, fighter plane can land, okay, and even that on a highway. So that is a emergency landing strip, first ever in India, and it is inaugurated by Union Minister, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Nitin Gadkari on National Highway 925 in Barmer, Rajasthan. This will be for Indian Air Force planes. Next, name the country which has been suspended from International Olympic Committee IOC until end of 2022. Friends, here the correct answer is D, North Korea. Now, why North Korea has been suspended? Because North Korea didn't send a single team or a single player to the summer Tokyo Games of 2020. So, जो भी रिसेंटली 2020 टोक्यो गेम्स ख़त्म हुए, उनमें एक भी नॉर्थ कोरियन प्लेयर ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया था बिकॉज देयर गवर्नमेंट डिडंट सेंड देम. So why North Korea did this? Because according to them, they are not sending any delegation in order to safeguard their players from COVID-19. So that was their reasoning. Okay. Next, who has replaced Mr. Vijay Rupani as the new Chief Minister of Gujarat? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Mr. Bhupendra Patel. He is the new CM of Gujarat. Now you will wonder like why Mr. Rupani has been replaced. I have a source, like I have a clipping or a news clipping from India Today, and according to that, there is word in BJP circle that Vijay Rupani's response to the second wave of COVID-19 was not really good, and due to that he lost his post. Okay, so that is according to India Today. Now moving to the next question. Tamil Nadu government has increased reservation for women in government jobs from 30% to dash percentage. Friends, here the correct answer is B, 40%. So 30% से बढ़ा के 40% reservation of women को दिया जाएगा in order to increase the participation of women in government jobs. Presently, around 33% of government employees are women. So there is a huge, gap, gender gap in government jobs. Coming to the next question. Which of the following Indian naval warships participated in the maritime warfare exercise Aussie Index 21 with Royal Australian Navy? ना फ्रेंड्स, आपसे डायरेक्टली ये भी पूछा जा सकता था कि ऑसी इंडेक्स में कौन सी कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं, बट दे कैन आस्क यू इट इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर कि किस वॉरशिप ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ बी एंड सी, INS शिवालिक एंड INS कदमत. ओके, सो under the command of Rear Admiral Tarun Sopti, these two warships participated in the naval exercise which is being held in Australia. Next is, identify the person who is recently appointed as the brand ambassador of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao project in Rajasthan. Friends, here the correct answer is D, Avni Lakhera. Friends, Avni Lakhera recently won a gold medal and a bronze medal in shooting in Paralympics Games of Tokyo, and she also hails from Rajasthan, I think from Jaipur, so she was a obvious choice. And Rajasthan, as I told you, nominated gold medalist of Tokyo Paralympics shooter Avni Lakhera as the brand ambassador of this project. I hope this is clear. Now friends, we are at the assignment part of this video. आप मुझे इन दोनों questions का आंसर ज़रूर बताइएगा. Name the first ever IAS officer of India to win a medal at the Paralympics in badminton. Very easy, you can tell the answer. Then who authored the book titled Gita Govinda, Jayadev's Divine Odyssey? So friends, please tell me the answer in the comment section and then I'll tell you the correct ones. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. I hope the video was helpful और आपने आज बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और प्लीज़ नोवेशन को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. योर सब्सक्रिप्शंस रियली मोटिवेट मी टू मेक more and more content as much as possible. Okay, I'll again request you that please visit novation.in, and here you can support Novation if you like our content by going to the donate button. Alright, so with that, I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.